Good morning, dear children. In the previous class, we have solved some exercise problems. Today, we will continue that exercise. That is exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1. Verify A minus of minus B equals A plus B for the following values of A and B. Verify A minus of minus B equals A plus B for the following values of A and B. Here one statement is given. They will give the A values and B values. For that values we have to verify this statement. First one, A equals 21, B equals 18. The value of A is 21, B is 18. We have to verify this statement. Okay. A minus of minus B equals A plus B equals A plus B. A means 21 minus of minus B is 18 equals A is 21 plus, in the statement we have plus, we will write plus 18. We already know how to remove the bracket, right? 21 minus of minus is, minus into minus is plus 18 equals 21 plus 18. 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 plus 1 is 3. Here also 8 plus 1, 9. 2 plus 1 is 3. 39 equals 39. Our LHS part equal to RHS. Therefore, this statement is verified for the values of A and B. For the values of A and B, we have verified this statement. A equals 21, B equals 18. We will solve second one. A equals 75, B equals 84. So second one is A equals 75, B equals 84. The given statement is A minus of minus B equals A plus B. A plus B. So A is 75 minus of minus 84 equals 75 plus 84. Right? Just we have substituted the values of A and B. Sign, wherever the sign is there, we have to write. So plus become plus, here we have plus, we have written plus, value of A is 75, B is 84. So we will remove this bracket, 75, so minus of minus, minus into minus is plus 84, right, equals, we can add this to 5 plus 4 is 9, 7 plus 8 is 15, right? So here also 5 plus 4 is 9. So 8 plus 7 is 15. 159 equals 159. In both the cases, we got LHS is equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. If LHS is equal to RHS, then this statement is verified. From this we can conclude that, so A, in place of A minus of minus B, we can write this as A plus B. Can write this as A plus B. For example, 2 minus of minus 3 is same as 2 minus of minus 3 is same as 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. When we remove that bracket, this minus of minus will become plus. Do you understand? So this is how we have to verify this statement. We will move to the next main. Next one. Use the sign of greater than, less than, or equals in the box to make the statement, to make the statements true. To make the statements true. Here some statements they will give. We have to put greater than, less than, or equal to in that box, in the given box, to make the statement true. That means LHS part should equal to RHS, or whether it is greater than or less than, we have to decide. So first one, minus 8 plus of minus 4. We have a box here, minus 8 minus of minus 4, minus of minus 4. First we have to check this part, so whether it is greater than, whether it is less than this one, or it is equal to this one. So let us verify this one. So minus 8 we can write as it is, can remove the bracket. Here we have to remove the bracket. We know how to remove the bracket. Plus into minus is minus 4, right? So both are having the same sign. We can add with the same sign. So minus 12, right? So minus 8 plus of minus 4, we got minus 12. Let's see that side what will give. Minus 8 minus of minus is plus 4. When we have opposite sign, we will subtract. So minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4 we have to write. Minus 4. Here we got both the negative integers. In that negative integer, minus 12. We already know that minus 12 is less than minus 4. Minus 12 is less than minus 4. We will put less than symbol. Here we have less than symbol. So that means it is less than. Minus 12 is less than minus 4. So that means minus 4 plus of minus 4 is less than minus 8 minus of minus 4. So we will see the second one. Second one. Minus 3 plus 7 minus 19, 15 minus 8 plus of minus 9. Minus 3 plus 7 minus of 19. We have box here, 15 minus 8 plus of minus 9, right? So we will simplify this part first. So minus 3 can write as it is, plus 7. So inside the bracket we have plus, even though we are not writing plus, it's understood plus is there, right? So plus into minus is minus, so 90. So this we can simplify in two ways. We can adding these two, 19 and 3 with the same sign. After that we will subtract. So in that method also we can solve. Okay, so minus in another method is, so minus 3 plus 7 will become plus 4. After that we can subtract. So we will do in this method. Minus 19 minus 3 and minus 19 will become minus 22, right? Minus 22 plus 7 is remaining here, plus 7, right? Minus 3 minus 19 become minus 22, and here we have left plus 7. So when we have opposite sign, we will subtract. So we will put minus 22 minus 7 is 15, right? Minus 15. Here we will see what we will get. So 15 minus 8 plus into minus is minus, right? This is 9. Minus 8 as it is, plus into minus is minus. So 15. So both are having minus sign. We can add minus, right? So 8 plus 9 is 17. 8 plus 9 is 17. So 15 is having plus sign. 17 is having minus sign. Therefore, we will subtract 17 minus 15 is 2, and this 17 is having a minus sign. We will put minus, right? So again we get both the integers are negative. Both the integers are negative. So in that case, so minus 15, we already know that minus 15 is less than minus 2. Minus 2 is greater. When we comparing a negative integer, it look like a greater number, but it is not a greater number. So it look like a greater number. Since it has a minus sign, it is smaller when compared to minus 2, right? So therefore, minus 15 is less than minus 2. Minus 15 is less than minus 2. Right? Minus 3 plus of 7 minus of 19 is less than 15 minus plus minus 8 plus of minus 9. So that is how we have to verify, and we can fill that box. Clear? We'll see one more question here. So 23 minus 41 plus 11. 23 minus 41 plus 11. After that we have box 23 minus 41 minus 11. 23 minus 41 minus 11. Let's see what we'll get. 23 we can write. 23. This 23 and 11 have same sign, right? 23 and 11 have same sign. We can add these two. 1 plus 3 is 4. So this 1 and 2 will become 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. So minus 41. Minus 41. Here we have to subtract by putting a minus sign. Okay, from 41 we have to subtract 34. So 1 from 1 we can't subtract 4. That will be, we have to take a borrow from this. If you take borrow, it will become 11. 11 minus 4 is 7. Right? Here we have 3. Right? Here we have 3. 3 minus 3. 23 plus 11. See, 23 plus 11, we have to add these two. 3 plus 1, 4, right? Here we have 34, okay? 41. In 41, we have to subtract plus 34. Plus 34, right? From 1, we can't subtract 4. We have to take a borrow. From 11, if you take borrow, this will become 11. 11 minus 4 is 7, right? 11 minus 4 is 7. This will become 4. 4 minus 3. This will become 3. 3 minus 3 is 0, right? Clear? Next. This is minus 7. Next. 23 we can write as it is. Both are having minus sign. We can add these two. Minus 1 plus 1 unit, ones place we can add now. 1 plus 1 is 2, 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. From minus 52 we have to subtract plus 23. Plus 23. So 52. From 2 we can't subtract 3. It will become 12, right? From 12 if we subtract 3 we'll get 9. So this will become 4. 4 minus 2 is 2, right? Which sign we have to put? Minus sign. So minus 29, right? So minus 7 and minus 29. So how they are related? So minus 7, obviously minus 7 is greater than minus 29, or minus 29 is less than minus 7. Minus 29 is less than minus 7. Minus 7 is greater than minus 29. Therefore, we will put greater than symbol, because minus 7 is greater than minus 29. Next, we will move to next main. A water tank has steps inside it. A water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step. The topmost step we will consider as first step. The water level is at the ninth step. The water level is at the ninth step. That sub question we have. So first question is, he jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. In how many jumps? Will he reach the water level? Okay, first we will understand what is this question. Okay, water tank has steps. So one water tank ide, adrolage ide metluಗಳಿದೆ, steps. Inside it, a monkey is sitting on the topmost. So total how many steps are there? 9 steps. The monkey has to reach for the 9th step. This is first. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9. Okay, here we have water. In the 9th step, we have water, right? So monkey is sitting here in the first step. How it will move? Let's see. He jumps 3 steps down From first step, he jumps to 3 steps down. That means in one jump, if he starts from first step, second step, 1, 2, 3. From fourth to the fourth step, he will jump. Monkey will jump to fourth step. So that is what here it is given. He jumps 3 steps down, then jumps back. Again it will turn back and jumps back to the top. How many steps he will jump? 2 steps. 2 steps up. Again it will come to the third second. In the second jump, he will return to the second step. Okay? That is also considered as jump, right? So in downward also it has jump. In upward also it has jump. In how many jumps? In how many jumps will he reach the water level? To reach the 9th step, monkey has to make how many jumps we have to find out. See, from first step to first jump means it will move to 4th step. So 1, 2, 3. 3 steps he will jump. Again to back, how many steps? 2, 3, 2. So it will come here, right? So from here again it will move to 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. This is from 2 to he will jump to 5th step, right? So from 5th step again it will come back. So 4 and 3 to here, right? Again from 3 to 3 steps, 4, 5, 6. 6th step. Again previous 2 jumps. 5, 4. This is 4, right? From 4th steps again 5, 6, 7. 3 jumps in downwards. In upwards we have 2 jumps. From 7th step it will jump back to the second. 1, 2. This is 5th step. Again from 5th it will move to 6, 7, 8. 3 jumps, no? 6, 7, 8. From 8 to return to 6th step. 2 jumps. 7, 6. From 6 to again it has 3 jumps. 3 steps. It will reach to 9th step. Totally how many jumps? From 1 to 4, 1. This is 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total the monkey jumped 11 steps to reach the 9th step. Okay, that is in case of diagram. That is in case of diagram. Let's see how to solve in using integers. Okay. Monkey is in first step. Okay. First step. Monkey is in first step. Plus 3 steps he will jump. Plus 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4. This is 4th step. 4th step. In first jump, this is first jump. First jump. In first jump, the monkey reached to 4th step, right? 4. Again back to 2 steps. Minus 2. Minus 2. Minus 2. 2 steps back up, right? Minus 2 is equal to second step. In second jump, the monkey returned to second step, right? In second step, the monkey is in second step. So 2, second step, plus again plus 3. Plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5th step. In third jump, monkey reached to 5th step. Okay, 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 upwards is equal to third step. third step. This is first, second jump, first jump, second jump, third jump, fourth jump. In fourth jump, monkey reaches to third step. Okay, monkey is in third step. He will jump to third step downwards. Plus 3. 3 plus 3 is sixth step. Sixth step. Again 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. Fourth step. Fourth step. So fourth step. 4 plus 3 downwards. 4 plus 3 is seventh step. Seventh step. Right? 7. Again move upwards. Minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. Fifth step. Fifth step. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Eighth step. Eighth step. Next. 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 upwards. 8 minus 2 is 6. Sixth step. Right? So 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. That it will reach to the ninth step. First step, he will reach it to fourth step. Second jump, in second step, third jump, fifth step. Like this, it will proceed. We will start from first step. First we will add 3 because 3 steps. He jumps 3 steps down. We will put plus here. We get fourth step. 4 for 4. Back 2 steps means minus equals 2. Again we will put plus 3. So how many steps? How many jumps it has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. In 11 jumps, monkey will reach to 9th step. That is the water level step, right? This is how we can find out the number of jumps made by monkey to reach the water level. Again we have one sub question here. After drinking water, when he reaches to the 9th step, he will drink water. After drinking water, he wants to go back. From 9th step, he wants to go back to first step, right? He wants to go back to, for this, he jumps 4 steps for returning. 4 steps up. From 9th step, he will jump to 4th step. 1, 2, 3, 4. From 5th to the 5th step, he will jump. Okay? And jump back to second step down. Second step down. As usual, we can solve this. Okay? Jump back 2 steps down. In every move from 9th step to he will jump 4 steps. Again he will return to the 2 steps down. Okay? In how many jumps will he reach back to the top step? That is first step. In how many jumps the monkey will reach to the top? We have to find out. So 9, right? 9. So monkey is in 9th step. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4, right? So 9 minus 4 means, see, this is 8th step, 7th step, 6th step, 5th step. Monkey will reach to the 5th step in 1 jump, right? So from 9th step to 4th step, 9 minus 4 is 5, 5th step. So monkey is in 5th step. Again it will back to second step. 2 steps jump. 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7th step. 7th step. 7 minus 4, 7 minus 4, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll return to the third step. 7 minus 4 is 3, third step. Again from third step, we have to take plus 2 because it is coming down plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5, fifth step, right? From fifth step, again it will 5 minus 4, right? My 5 minus 4 is 1. First step. This is the topmost step from which the monkey has started, right? So ninth step ಅಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು, ಒಂದೇ ಸತಿ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ಗೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? 2 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. 9ಇಂದ 5ಗೆ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು, ವಾಪಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂತು? 7ಗೆ ಬಂತು, 2 ಜಂಪ್ ಆಯಿತು. 9ಇಂದ 5ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಜಂಪು, 5ಇಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತು, ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂತು? 7th ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ಬಂತು, ರೈಟ್? 7ಇಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ 4th ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತು? ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, 3rd ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ಬಂತು. 3rd ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 5th ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 5th ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಿಂದ 4th ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 1, 2, 3, 4. It will reach us to the top level. So how many jumps are over? This is the first step, first jump, second jump, third jump, fourth jump, fifth jump. In 5 jumps, the monkey has reached to the top level. This is how we can find out the number of jumps made by the monkey to reach from 9th step to the top level step.